more than 20 years, Wine America has been perfecting the art of wine storage. Our expertise has made us the premier manufacturer of wine storage solutions, offering DIY kits and full cellar designs. We're the one-stop shop for your wine collection's racking and preservation needs. That wouldn't be possible without the most talented millworkers in the business, creating modular kits handmade from the highest quality wood that can be configured to fit any space, giving you that custom, luxury feel at a fraction of the cost. Not to mention our talented cellar design specialists that can help you create your ideal wine cellar with a free design consultation. Whether it's a closet remodel or a one-of-a-kind cellar configuration, they can do it all to match your space and style. We are the world's foremost experts in racking and cellaring, and that's reflected in our team of friendly, knowledgeable customer service professionals, there to answer all your questions and guide you through every step of the process. And we're fast. Quick turnaround times for cellar design renderings and the shortest shipping lead times in the industry, so you can start storing and showing off your wine collection right away. To meet the growing demand for full cellar designs in the early 2000s, we began designing a line of modular cellar racks that would become InstaCellar and established our world-class cellar design services. Stain and satin options were also added, beautifying our already sturdy wine racks, leading to the development of our WineSafe stain and clear coat sealant. WineSafe is odor-free and water-based, so it won't seep through the cork and taint your wine, and is environmentally friendly, which is safer for our employees. With a little help from Hollywood, a period of huge growth began when a few films about wine became huge hits, exposing millions of people to cellaring and wine drinking. And as an established wine cellar service, new wine connoisseurs flocked to the easy access of an all-in-one online wine cellar design, build, and ship company, making us the premier one-stop cellaring shop, supported by our trusted partners in the wine industry, offering cooling systems, cellar doors, and metal wine racks. Trust our more than 20 years of expertise and find your perfect storage solution online, or contact our dedicated team for your complimentary cellar design to protect and display your collection with Wine America.